Hey, it's Marty, and I'm going to be talking you through everything you need to know to get started on your U.S. undergraduate college search. There are many different kinds of institutions in the United States, from college to university, public to private, two-year colleges versus four-year universities, city campuses versus suburban or rural ones, specialty universities versus comprehensive ones, or liberal arts colleges to four-year public universities. The U.S. has great diversity in higher education with over 4,500 institutions. Which one is going to be right for you? Deciding what college to apply to is an important decision, and one of the best ways I've figured out to find the right college for you is to start with asking some important self-discovery questions. The answers to these questions will help you plan the next step in your educational journey. Questions like, why study in the United States? How will I pay for my studies? What do I want to do when I'm done with my degree? Do I want to live at a rural campus, a suburban campus, or in a big city? Do I prefer a public university or a private one? Does the size of a campus matter to me? Do I want to join clubs and organizations? These are the kinds of questions that once you have the answers, you will be very well prepared to start narrowing your choices down and finding the institutions that are best for you. Search engines are a particularly useful tool when you're considering colleges. When you're trying to go from 4,500 colleges and universities in the US down to a manageable number that you can apply to. These search engines will help you reduce that number when you can search by ranking, by region of the United States, by cost, size, and also funding available for international students. I'll add some links in the description below. When considering which college is right for you, think about the types of tests that may be required and how long you'll need to prepare. With the IELTS, we typically recommend prepping at least 6 to 8 weeks in advance of the test. IELTS is trusted and recognized globally, setting the standard for language testing. Within the United States, over 3,400 universities accept IELTS, including all the Ivy League colleges and top 100 universities on the U.S. News Best College Rankings list. There are other English proficiency tests available, as well as standardized academic tests like the SAT or ACT that may be required of international students. You can find out more in-depth information about these tests in our upcoming video, Understanding Tests Required by U.S. Colleges and Universities. So stay tuned for that one. And all the links that I've mentioned today are in the description below, so be sure to check those out and follow along for more insights. See you in the next video.